Financing a big purchase or a personal project often comes down to speed. When you need a loan, waiting for a decision can be the most stressful part. If you're considering Younited, you're probably asking, how long until I know if I'm approved? The good news is that Younited has built its platform around being fast. Their goal is to give you a near-instant experience. When you complete your online credit application, Younited's automated system, which uses open banking technology and advanced algorithms, works quickly. You will typically receive an initial loan offer and a response to your credit request in minutes, sometimes even instantly. This initial response is your real-time offer. Now, what about final approval? Once you accept that offer and electronically sign your contract, the final approval is often instantaneous or can take up to 24 hours. They need this short time to verify all the documents and information you provided. So, to break it down, a loan offer is practically instant. Final approval is usually instant, but a maximum of 24 hours. After that final approval, the last step is receiving the money. Funds are typically transferred to your bank account within 7 to 14 days after you electronically sign the contract. Younited's entire process is designed to be fully digital, cutting down on the long waiting times associated with traditional banks. They aim to deliver an ultra-fast, hassle-free credit experience so you can move forward with your plans as quickly as possible. If you're ready to see how fast it can be, you can start your application today.